Today, we're riding to the Hawk Skylift in Wears Valley, Tennessee. Wears Valley is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Tennessee.
So we are going to try the Hawk Skylift. They supposedly have a really nice area up at the top of the hill with some good views, so we're gonna take you up there with us and show you what it's all about. All right, we're going up the lift now. Some really good views once you get to the top here, so we'll show you those. And that's what Dawn looks like when she's up in the air, and she's a little afraid of heights. So. And we are moving. There we go. Say hi to Dawn.
Hello.
And we're about to be at the top here. We'll have some really good views when we go back down, I'm sure.
Good, how are you?
Good, how are you? And now we're here at the top. All right. So it's nice and cool up here, and we get complimentary water and complimentary moon pies. That's your thing. Great view up here. We get some really good views going down. And towards that way. There's beautiful Smoky Mountains. Come over to this side.
This is peaceful.
There's a really good shot of Wears Valley. It's beautiful. This is why we come here.
Okay.
Little place to chill out here.
They got a big
Relax a
TV,
little
so
bit.
that's how they're
Big
going to watch
screen
ball
TV.
games.
And they're going to be showing the Tennessee game here on Saturday if you're in the area. Of course, I'll be thinking about the Buckeyes game, but it's okay. Very nice area with some cornhole, checkers,
Yeah.
all kinds of neat stuff. Dawn almost threw out a hip getting on the chair there. And she's going to have her chocolate moon pie.
Squinty.
All right, folks. We're just up at the top of the hill, chilling out, enjoying this great view from the Skylift. Beautiful day, a little bit cloudy, but you can still definitely see all the mountains as I showed you. But you can come up here and just
It's very relaxing, very
sit in a
quiet.
little rocking chair and feel the breeze today. Almost kind of makes you wish you were here, doesn't it? Well, we wish you were here too. That's why we're doing this, so you can kind of be here. But we're gonna just hang out here for a little bit more and then head on back down the valley. Important rule up here: please do not touch Ruby. He doesn't like being touched. All right, we're heading back down now, so we're gonna get some views heading down the mountain as well. There's gonna be some nice ones after we miss some of these trees here. All right, there we are. Heading down the mountain. Heading back down. Just beautiful views up here. As you can see, kind of a cloudy day, but definitely still really nice views of Wears Valley.
Very quiet.
Definitely. Just another beautiful view of the valley. But as we said, this is why we come to the Smoky Mountains. It's just beautiful everywhere you go. good views.
Oh, looks like somebody's up down there paying. You wanna come up?
Yeah, not a lot of people here, but definitely recommend it. It's great views, great little area at the top to hang out, and just relax and enjoy the Smoky Mountains. Coming down to the end. Coming down the home stretch.
So they also, in addition to the chairlift, have horseback riding. So they have the stables over there. You can go pet the horses, catch a ride. They have horse riding paths around the property. It's really cool.
Yep, several things to do here. Here's another little shot of the stables if you're interested in seeing the horses.
They got horses in the stable. Look like they're taking a nap.
You can pet the horses or you can ride the horses. Well, that was really fun. We would highly recommend coming over here if you get an opportunity. You don't really see the signs that well, but going up there, it's really fun. All right.
So to locate the Skylift, just look for the Harper Brothers General Merchandise Store sign. You'll see the general store right here. The Skylift, the Hawk Skylift, you just take that little gravel road up there to the left. That takes you up to its own parking lot. If you're on a motorcycle, no, it's all gravel. Packed down gravel was pretty good, but just be careful while you're up there and how you're trying to park. But
Yeah,
that's
we
how you get
actually
up there.
just parked down here and walked up there
Yeah.
because the gravel was a little bit dicey, but not undoable. But that's where it's at.
As we wrap up this final episode of our Smoky Mountain Adventure, we can't help but look back at the amazing journey we've had. We want to thank each and every one of you for joining us on this adventure. Your support and enthusiasm have fueled our journey, making every mile more memorable.
As we wrap up, we leave you with a short montage, a glimpse into the heart of the Smoky Mountains, a testament to why we return time and time again.
we come to the Smoky Mountains, it's not just for the adventure, but for the sense of peace and tranquility that it brings. It's for the moments of awe as we stand on a mountaintop looking out at the world below. It's for the thrill of discovery, the joy of exploration, and the memories we create along the way.
Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and most importantly, keep discovering the beauty that this world has to offer. Until our next adventure, we are the Two Wheel Buckeyes.